Hello everyone, welcome to geekermag. Today I'm going to show you how to create beautiful Studio Ghibli style images just like that, absolutely free, using ChatGPT. So without further delay, let's learn the steps. First of all, you need to launch web browser on your PC or Mac and visit ChatGPT official website. In case you don't have the account, then click on the sign up and choose these options to continue the sign up process. I already have an account, so I will directly enter my details and log into ChatGPT. Once you are logged into ChatGPT, you will see this interface. To create the Ghibli image, click on the plus icon and select the image to which you want to apply the effect. And load it into the ChatGPT. After that, you need to type prompt like apply Ghibli effect without changing anything in the photo. It's just an idea, you can type anything related to your requirements. At last, click on the send button. Now you need to wait and let ChatGPT do its magic. The process will take 2 to 5 minutes. Sometimes it can take longer depending on the server load. And that's it. Your image with Ghibli art is ready. You can download it by clicking the download icon available on the upper right corner. Let's create another image. Select another photo. Apply the same prompt and sit tight. And again your Ghibli art is ready. This is a process on PC or Mac. In case you want to create Ghibli art images on your mobile, then process is almost similar. Head over to Google Play Store or Apple App Store and download the ChatGPT app. After that, open it, create the account, log into ChatGPT, select the image to apply Ghibli art, type the prompt, and send it. Wait for few seconds and your image with Ghibli art is ready. Under the free account, it is possible that you will face issues like ChatGPT refused to create image, stopped the image creation, or similar errors. And there is nothing we can do about it. In case you want to speed up the process, you can upgrade to ChatGPT Plus, which costs around $20 with unlimited access to everything. So that's all for this video. I hope this helps. And if you find this video useful in any way, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel to get notifications about more similar videos. Thanks for watching.